In ancient texts, governing a state is like cooking a small fish. Be gentle, don't overhandle it. But AI is a simmering broth. It requires tuning, experimentation, and refinement. AI models are raw ingredients. Like Wagyu, same ingredient, different outcomes. Flavor depends on who wields the spoon. Algorithm engineers control AI's fire. Temperature governs creativity versus stability. Tuning parameters is a discipline. Patience breeds wisdom. Developers give AI form and structure. Logic is their knife work, efficiency their rhythm. Human hands guide the pace. Creators craft flavor, making AI expressive. One is a command, the other is poetry. The results could never be the same. System designers are the menu writers. Sora, the visual chef. ChatGPT, the language master. Efficiency leads to fast food. Subtlety creates soulful broth. Approach AI with a chef's heart. See what it prepares for you. All images in this video were generated by AI.